Hello beautiful, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a hair tutorial, and I know I don't do that many hair tutorials just because I like to wear my hair straight like you can see right now, or I like to do some waves and that's it. I don't spend that much time on my hair, so that's that. Actually today I'm going to try to do the ponytail that Amber Scholl did in her last video. She posted this video yesterday if I'm not wrong. So she did the DIY celebrity hairstyles and the ponytail with the ends flipped. It's so adorable and I'm going to try to do that. This is the video I'm talking about, and if you guys don't know who Amber Scholl is, oh my god, you need to follow her. She's the most adorable and positive person on the entire internet, so you need to follow her. So yeah, this is the ponytail I'm going to do. You can kind of see it right here. I'm going to add a picture right here so you can see better what ponytail I'm talking about. So yeah, without any further ado, let's jump into the video. As I said, if you guys don't know who Amber is, I'm sorry you guys, I'm having a huge fangirl moment. Oh my gosh, she's the most adorable, positive, uplifting person I follow on the internet. You guys need to follow her. She's so cute. She has this bright, positive personality. As I said, she's always positive in her videos, and she kind of puts you in a better mood after you watch her videos. I know it sounds a little bit cheesy, but it's true. She's always so positive in her videos and confident, so confident. I don't know how she does that. I wish I was a little bit more confident, but I don't know, she's all about good vibes. She sends this good energy, good vibes. So yeah, you guys, you need to follow her. So to achieve this ponytail, she used hair extensions. Obviously I'm going to use hair extensions. If you have very thick hair, well, good for you. I'm happy for you. I don't have that. I will never have thick, long, beautiful, gorgeous, shiny, straight hair. No, never, because, you know, God didn't want me to have that, you know? So I have very, very fine hair. It's like, if I put all my hair together, is this much hair. So these are my hair extensions. I don't think I'm going to use them all, even though I do need this thickness, but I feel like there's too much pieces. I have like 5 pieces in here. I know I can't fit them all because I have very fine hair and it won't look cute. Also, she used hairspray. I'm not gonna use that because I just washed my hair this morning and I hate hairspray in my hair. I hate it, okay? And I'm not planning to wash my hair in like 4 days from now on. So yeah, you know, dry scalp problems, dry hair problems. But I'm going to use a bunch of bobby pins and hopefully the ponytail will stay in place, like it won't fall. So first I'm going to put my hair up into a ponytail. I need to okay, this is like a arm workout. I hate doing ponytails this tight because my scalp and my head hurts. The amount of hair I have on my lap is crazy. I'm like surprised I still have hair on my head. Okay, I think that's enough. I'm going to tie this. Ow, F. No, I can't do that. I can't. Oh, no, I can't. Alright, that was a little bit hard. Let me watch how she does it.
You're also going to need hair extensions. Yes, in fact, you do need hair extensions for this.
She has the same piece I have, like the thick one with the fabric inside.
Look, and almost every celebrity hair look, because if you think their hair just looks like this, you are incorrect.
For this particular hairstyle, see how the hair kind of lays flat against my head? We want it to stick up more like that. So what we're going to do is add extra hair ties and kind of build them up into a little tower so you can see like that.
Extra hair ties. Let me bring some more. Okay, so I found 3 more hair ties. Oh wow. Okay, what's next?
Take obviously the hairpiece. You can see this is just like one of those halo long clip weft things. Secure it with some bobby pins while you wrap it around the base of the ponytail, just in kind of like a circle, like so, until it's all pinned in.
So she only used this piece. Her hair is a little bit longer than mine. Oh my god, Amber. How you do it? How you do it? Okay, so she said to pin as we wrap around. I feel like the pin won't go through this fabric because it's thick. Okay, let's see. You see, like, I can't make the pin go through that fabric. Ah, okay. Okay. More bobby pins, please. All right. Okay. Okay, Amber. Let's hope it will stay. So she said she took a piece of hair to wrap around so you can see the extensions or the bobby pins. Okay. And I'm going to wrap it like so. Oh no, you can still see the extensions. You can. Anyway, I'm going to pin it in the back. My head hurts already. Let's see if we can pull this.
Ponytail, and we're just going to wrap it around the base, hairspraying it as you go so it stays in place.
Yeah, I didn't use hairspray, whatever. She has a lot of hair.
Also, side note, you know those little bald spots?
Yeah, I'm not gonna use eyeshadow to hide my bald spots because that's annoying. When I touch my hand gets black and I don't want that. So I'm going to skip this step too.
Like, look at this. Take some black eyeshadow, kind of fill that in. You'd never know I had little baldy patches. So sneaky.
She's so adorable.
Anyway, so back to using the brush. Okay, so we're just gonna brush that out like so, and you can see the base of that. We're just gonna take this once it's all warmed up, and we're gonna wrap our hair around that and flip it outwards in like a little outward curl, not going all the way up, just like a little bit to curl the ends.
My hair wand, this is the thickest I have. I think is 1 inch, I don't know exactly. So she has way much hair than I do and longer, and I feel like this is already a fail, but you know, I tried, okay? I'm waiting for this to be ready. Alright, so I found a thermic glove because my curling one, it doesn't have the clip to hold the hair. Let's see if I can do this. I'm going to rub it like twice, just the ends. Oh, this burns. Well, you guys, this is such a fail. Like, obviously I don't have enough hair, and my curling one is way too thin, I guess. Definitely looks like I tried. Not enough, but I tried, you know. Kinda looks cute. You know, I kinda like it. I kinda don't like it because I have so less hair on the bottom and it looks a little bit awkward. Overall, this is such a cute hairstyle. I do have a thicker ponytail, but that's synthetic hair and I don't think it will handle the heat. If you guys have long, gorgeous, thick, beautiful hair, well, good for you. I don't have that, so I have to use extensions. The extensions that I have, they are like thinner on the bottom, so they look a little bit more realistic, so I guess that's why it looks like that. Anyway, my head hurts because, oh, it's so tight and it hurts. Anyway, let me know down below what do you guys think, if you tried this hairstyle, if you like it. I think it's so pin-up, so cute, so girly, so doll-ish kinda. I don't know, I wish I had thicker hair, but anyway, it is what it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this fail video. I tried, okay? I tried. Okay, so my camera said, stop judging yourself, you look cute anyway. Okay, camera, okay, I'm going to wrap this video here. So Yeah guys, this is the end of this tutorial, this hair tutorial. I don't think I'm going to do any in the future because as you can see I'm not good at hair. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye guys. Ariana who? I'm just kidding.